Taxes, they are an inevitable part of our lives, and understanding them is crucial for everyone. Whether you're a student, a working professional, or a retiree, tax forms play a significant role in how we manage our finances. They might seem scary, but they are important. These forms are the key to ensuring that we contribute our fair share to society. They help fund public services like schools, roads, and healthcare. We all need to understand them. No matter your background or financial situation, having a grasp on tax forms can save you time, money, and stress. Tax forms tell the government about our money. They detail our income, expenses, and any deductions or credits we might be eligible for. They help us pay our fair share. By accurately reporting our financial information, we ensure that we are contributing appropriately to the community and the services we all rely on. Learning about them is easier than you think. With the right resources and a bit of patience, anyone can become proficient in handling their tax forms. Let's dive into the world of tax forms. We'll break down the most common types, explain their purposes, and guide you through the process of filling them out. We'll start with the most common ones. Forms like the 1040, W2, and 1099 are essential for most taxpayers. Don't worry, it won't be as painful as you think, I promise. By the end of this guide, you'll feel confident and ready to tackle your taxes with ease. First up is the 1040 form. This is the cornerstone of your tax filing process. Think of it as your tax form headquarters. It's the main form where you report your income, deductions, and credits. It's where everything comes together. All your financial information for the year is compiled here. You tell the government how much money you made. This includes wages, salaries, tips, and other forms of income. You also list any deductions. These are expenses that can reduce your taxable income. Deductions are expenses that can lower your taxes. Common deductions include mortgage interest, charitable donations, and medical expenses. The 1040 form helps determine if you owe taxes or get a refund. If your deductions and credits exceed your income, you might get money back. It's important to fill it out correctly. Mistakes can lead to delays in processing or even penalties. Don't worry, we'll explore more forms that feed into this one. Each form has a specific purpose and helps complete the picture of your financial year. Now let's talk about W2 and 1099 forms. These forms are crucial for understanding your income and tax responsibilities. You'll receive a W2 if you're an employee. This form is issued by your employer. Your employer sends it to you at the end of the year. It shows your total wages and the amount of taxes withheld from your paycheck. If you're a freelancer or independent contractor, you'll get a 1099 form instead. Each client who paid you over $600 during the year is required to send you one. It's important to keep track of these forms because they detail your earnings from various sources. You'll use them to report your income accurately when you file your taxes. Remember, the deadline for filing your taxes is usually April 15th. Using tax software can help you organize and file these forms correctly. Alternatively, you can consult a tax advisor to ensure everything is in order. Whether you file electronically or by mail, make sure to include all your W2 and 1099 forms. Properly reporting your income can help you avoid penalties and might even result in a tax refund. Staying organized and keeping track of your forms will make tax season much smoother. So, take the time to understand your employment status and the forms you receive. It matters. There are other forms too, like the 1098 form. This one is for student loan interest, or the W4 form. Your employer uses this to know how much tax to withhold from your paycheck. If you need help, ask a tax professional. They can guide you. You can also use tax software. It makes filing taxes easier. Remember, understanding your taxes is empowering. Great job navigating through the world of tax forms. Before we wrap up, here are a few final tips to keep in mind. First, always double-check your information before submitting your forms. Small errors can lead to big headaches. Second, keep track of all your receipts and documents throughout the year. This will make filing much easier. Finally, don't hesitate to seek help if you're unsure about anything. It's better to ask questions than to make mistakes. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. See you in the next video.